Yo, what up, though? It's your boy Street Coder Nate, and we back at it again on the Street Coders YouTube channel. All right, I know it's been a minute, but I just wanted to say Happy New Year, Happy 2022. We about to go stupid in this new year. All right, bet. So what we about to start doing on this channel, I had to find a niche. There's so much shit that I know, and y'all seen I put HTML videos out, CSS, JavaScript, some Python videos. So now I'm like, I was all over the place in 2021. That was my first year on YouTube, for real. This year now, what I'm about to go with is niching, because I feel like when you need a niche in order to just take the fuck off. And then when I take off, then you're gonna see me dropping almost everything. But right now, my niche is going to be Python and brain technology. Yes, brain technology and Python. So y'all gonna see some Python classes. Y'all might even see some of my Python courses. I'm gonna link them in the bios and shit so that y'all can get it. I'm gonna be teaching y'all Python through automations. That's gonna be one of my courses. You know, automate the boring stuff with Python, but I'm gonna make it a more new school version, make it fun, and we gonna tap in with that. But on the channel though, we gonna take all that Python knowledge and start building different brain technology. So I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. Tap in. All right, so y'all probably wondering, what the hell do I mean by brain technology? Well, basically, I have this device right here. It's called the Muse 2. You see it? Muse 2. I got that device. And basically what you do is you put it on your forehead. You got this in this band. It got these EEG. It got these electrodes. Because you know your brain giving off different electrical signals all the time. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I got a whole course out right now that's showing you how your brain and the computer are connected. It'll teach you all you need to know, and then you can get started with these. But pretty much this little device off of it, you see I just pulled it off. This little device right here is the computer. And what we're gonna do is we can program these things, this computer, to understand different electrical signals from the brain. And so I'm getting real deep. So basically what we could do is our brain is gonna be buzzing and shit, and then we gotta focus on certain tasks and whatnot in our apps. We're gonna build apps and we're gonna focus on certain tasks with this Muse, and the different signals that we're giving off as we focus, we'll be able to control the application in certain ways. And so the reason I wanna use Python is because Python, this Muse has a Python library that's just open source and we can use it. And then also Python is very easy to learn. Then, you know, Python got machine learning, deep learning, it got automation, all of that stuff on there. So basically we're gonna be like able to create some dope ass applications that are controlled with our brain. This is why I needed to niche, because now that I'm niching, it's like, Python, brain technology. Now, the Muse 2 isn't the only band on the market. And what I'm about to show y'all is that there's a bunch more bands on the market that y'all can get. And honestly, I'm about to be trying them out all on the channel. So right now, we're just gonna start with the Muse 2. Why? Because I found it on eBay for about $100. And like all the other ones about like $400, $500. So go eBay, find you one of these cheap ones. Amazon, I think got them for $2.99 right off the box. This was refurbished. I always use refurbished stuff. Go find you one. And then I'm gonna show you all how we're gonna be programming these. All you need is a laptop and this. And we're gonna be able to program brain technology. So without further ado though, I'm about to show y'all some other ones that y'all can go tap in and get. All right, so the first one that we got right here is the Choose Muse. So if you go to choosemuse.com, as you see right there, you'll see that Muse is a pretty good one. I'm gonna just show this. You'll see that Muse is basically that's the one I got. This Muse band, you see, I got that one. But the ones that you will see right here, and it says Muse tracks your brain signals, and you see all the brain shit that it do. This one is the basic one, and it works pretty well. I got the Muse 2. They got a newer one like that, Muse 2. There's another Muse 2. Where is that? Let me slide over. That's the band I got right there. Or I got the Muse S, not the Muse 2. So my bad for telling y'all the Muse 2. It's the Muse S, the one I got. All right, so this is the Muse 2, which is right here. And that's just the second version of the Muse 1. It go around. You seen how she was wearing it like that. The other one is like a band, and it go around you. And so as you can see, it says, hold up, let me get back, hold up, sliding too fast. The first multi-feedback EEG device built to empower meditation. So basically, this device already come with like software on it and shit. And all you got to do like is put it on and then download the app, and then it'll start reading your brainwaves and help you meditate and stuff. But what they did was they allowed developers to also get access to the electrodes information, and now you can program different applications with that. So that shit dope. And so you see transforming brain signals into real-time feedback, train your brain. I got the Muse S, neural activity and calm. And you'll see right here when you download the application and you start playing around with it, it will show you like your brain activity as you're meditating and whatnot. And this is honestly just dope. Like I started meditating about two years ago and some change, and I ain't really trust technology to help me meditate. So I taught myself how to meditate, and then God brought me back around and showed me this band and was like, yo, use this to go deeper to see what actually happening when you're meditating. And I'm telling y'all, it's different. Okay, so that's the Muse. There's another one, Emotive. I want a box with Emotive low key, because Emotive got to see me. I bought a Emotive device. I think I'm about to cancel it because they playing with my emotions. But anyway, connecting your brain, connecting you, your brain, and the world. So the Emotive is really about research. Like this one is real deep, and it got a whole bunch of electrodes and shit in it. So let's get started. You know, you can learn, understand your unique brain, earn, get paid for thinking, and then impact, shape the future for neuroscience. So they got a whole bunch of different devices. And then they show you how to actually start programming this shit. All of these ones have like different SDKs and whatnot. So let's check out the hardware. Okay, so they got like 3 different top ones for the hardware. You got Emotive Insight. That's the one I bought. They play with my emotions. Let's see what that look like. More details. Actually, we can just go to compare headsets like that. Oh, we ain't got the picture on it, so let's see. Oops, that's my account right there. I told y'all I bought one. Okay, let's click that off. And hardware, there we go. More details. And you'll see, let me just make myself a little smaller. There we go. You'll see it got advanced brainware for brain computing interface. This is what it look like right there. Throw that bitch on. Got some good battery life, wireless connectivity, 5-channel EEG around the brain. Minimum setup time is 1, and then semi-dry polymers for censoring. And so pretty much you're going to look like that, like you just in the future or some shit like that. And it's dope because you see it as it's taking in information from the frontal lobe, from the side, and then also from the occipital lobes and the back. So, yeah, there you go. I was just talking about that all over here. Look, I ain't no psychologist or no brain scientist, neuroscientist, but I do study the brain in my own way because I think the brain is just amazing. And so I do understand these terms in a way. So on this channel, we gonna become neuroscientists and computer scientists at the same time. And you see, like, they just got revolutionary technology and sensors. It's non-invasive. Non-invasive mean that you don't have to implant anything to read the signals. It's just on the forehead and shit, and it will read it like that. And you see, they got their developer tools too, so that you can tap in and really start working. And so, like I said, I bought the Insight. It was a little cheaper than this when I bought it. It was like $3.99. But they also got the EPOSH too, or the EPOSH X. Oh wait, no, my bad. Let's view that one. Oh yeah, this is the one I already went through. Let's go over here to this one. This one kind of dope. Like, look at it. That shit hard. You really on another level with the Emotive right here, the Emotive EPOSH X. This one kind of hard. And then obviously it got more sensors. It got 14-channel sensors, all of that shit. These are referring to the brain areas. 2 references, CSML, DLR reference. Yeah, I don't know, all of that shit. But we're going to really tap in. We're going to buy all these different devices on this channel, and we're going to try them out with different code and shit. But you can also build your own shit. So that's kind of dope. As you can see, these prices ridiculous. I told y'all my Muse one, $100. So go on eBay, find you one. You also got OpenBCI. OpenBCI, dope than a motherfucker. Like OpenBCI, you got the Galea biosensing, spatial computing. I signed up for the beta access. They still ain't hit me back yet, or maybe I gotta check my email. I be getting spammed. But let's check out their shop. But OpenBCI real dope. Like this is for people who like want to start pretty much what's the word called like. I want to get one of those ones. Like, I really want to get one of those that go in the back of the head because that shit different. But the Cyton, but with the OpenBCI Cyton, CEEG grid sensors. Yes, so OpenBCI plus CEEG grids. So let's check out their docs, or not their docs, their shop. The docs is for the developers. That's what we're going to be spending time there too. So we're going to go to the shop, and you see OpenBCI is more so like if you want to, they got their own devices already pre-made, but also like they give you the boards if you want to like build your own device from scratch. You know, build your own little headband and shit. Like it's this shit is on another level of dopeness. So we're gonna tap in with OpenBCI, and then Neurosity. Neurosity is probably the one so far my favorite. I just like this, the crown, Neurosity crown looks so dope. Shift into high focus with Neurosity crown, increase your productivity by boosting your brain's concentration. So Neurosity crown is kind of like Muse. It already come with its own little programs on it, and you can put it on and just download the app and start. But then it also allows for developers to tap in with their developer SDK, and then also access to other free SDKs. So we really gonna tap in on this channel with like all of these different devices. Let's go back to the crown. The crown is ridiculously expensive. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I wanted one. I think I might get one this check because I ain't gotta pay no bills on this check. So I might get one on this check. But yeah, you can just download the apps from the App Store, but then create your own apps. This one is dope. The reason I like this one so much is because like if you go back to it, you go, let's see, tech specs. This just got like a whole like 8 EEG sensors, 2 haptic motors, motion detecting accelerometer, near field communication, brain imaging. Like this shit is hard. It only take 3 hours to recharge, like to full capacity. Batteries 3 hour rechargeable lithium. Yeah. So in the box, like this shit is on another level. It's not even that heavy. I really want to see like the crown. All right, so let's see. Buy crown. You'll see $8.99. That bitch ain't no joke. But I'm about to get one, and we're going to play around with that on this channel for real, for real. All right. And then last but not least is this is how we're going to be developing. This is the API that we're going to use to develop on these boards. So you'll see you can do it for the OpenBCI. You can do it for NeuroMD. Neurosity, you see they got Notion 1, Notion 2 crown, and then you got the Muse S. That's the one we're gonna be using to start off, and then you see that we can use these using Python. So that's why I had to niche it, right? So we got a Python API, and we're gonna be doing this brain technology stuff. Tap in. Y'all, I hope y'all about as excited as I am to tap into this brain technology, to this Python. Once again, if you don't know Python, my course is coming out very soon. If you don't understand how the brain is connected to the human body, I already have a course out right now on streetcoders.io, build/better brain. It will take you through everything you need to know about how computers relate to humans. But right now, we just gonna keep on tapping in. I already got my Muse band, so on the next video, we about to explore through the Muse API, the Muse, whatever. We're gonna explore what comes pre-installed already on the Muse, how to use it on a meditation level, and then how can we start tapping into like using the developer tools to start building our own applications with the what was that API called, with the BrainFlow API and with Python and whatnot. We gonna tap in on this channel, yo. This is legendary stuff. So I'm excited. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's roll. This has been Street Coder Nate. Remember to follow me on YouTube, to subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram. If you want to follow my life, Instagram Street Coder Nate. I put on my, do my thing so I can show people that I'm a regular person too. That I just know how to code and I'm kind of nerd at the same time. I'm a cool nerd. So follow me on Instagram, and then also I got a podcast. Fuck with me on that on Anchor. I'll link that in the bio or in the description below as well. And every single day, my podcast is the Street Coders Podcast. It's a motivational podcast. I don't even like calling it motivational. I call it transformational. I show you how your body is literally a machine and how you can control your body as a machine to better your life, to put different programs in your body that will push you into the future. So that's on the Street Coders Podcast. Every day around 5:30 a.m. is a whole new podcast coming out. Got them hoes automated. So tap in with me. Remember, drop a sub, share my shit, and like my shit, because we going stupid. Let's get it.